How to leave a group on the Life 360 app. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily leave a group on the Life 360 app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up the Life 360 app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And you also have to make sure that you are inside a circle or a group in order to leave it. So the first thing you can do is go ahead and tap on the circle. As you can see here, I am on a circle right here. So if you want to leave this, the first thing you do is head over to your settings menu by tapping on the gear icon, which is located at the top left corner. And once you tap on the settings icon, here you'll see something called circle management right here on the settings. So tap on it. Now, if you want to edit the name of your circle, you can do that. You can choose your role, change the admin status, add circle members, or at the very last option, you'll see leave circle. So just tap on it. So after leaving a circle, you will no longer see or share location with this circle. So if you are sure that you want to leave, just tap on yes, and then you should leave the group that you wanted. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.